It used to be that emergency ambulance services were largely staffed by volunteers and provided basic medical care while getting patients to the hospital. No more. Today, many services provide advanced life support, requiring robust training and paid professionals.
As everybody knows, volunteerism is on the decline. We love and appreciate our fire companies and everything they do to serve residents of Fairview Township and Western Erie County, but they've always been limited in what they can do to begin with.
Ginuso notes volunteer fire companies don't have tax funding to provide these services, so needed to rely on insurance claims and fundraising. In Erie County, municipalities, working with the county, have created 2 regional services to handle this critical need, one serving municipalities in the eastern part of the county, the other serving communities in the western part of the county. These arrangements require municipalities to fund part of the cost of these services.
So it's very important that your townships put skin in the game, that they provide money for this agency. If not, you're not going to survive. That's just the way it is now. There's not enough money to get from Medicaid, Medicare, and private insurance companies to make it feasible to have a ambulance department or ambulance service. So you really do have to have leaders in your townships that are willing to provide that extra income.
One way to determine municipal funding for ambulance services is on a per capita basis, based on the population of each municipality. This is the funding model used by the West County Paramedic Association, which Ginuso chairs. He agrees municipal funding is crucial.
Insurance just isn't paying what it costs to turn a wheel. So the government's entities, the municipalities that are served by, in this case, West County Paramedic Association, they absolutely need to participate in keeping the organization afloat.
Oler stresses municipal leaders must have oversight of the funding that goes to these services.
It's very important that we look at the books, because I'm not spending my money, I'm spending my taxpayers' money, my residents' money. So it's important to me is if I'm going to spend my money out of my own account, I want to make sure that I'm spending the residents' money out of their account properly. So number one, I would tell any township supervisor, municipal supervisor, make sure you're looking into those books. Make sure you're looking at where the money's going and how it's spent.
Erie County is helping make sure well-trained staff is available through a scholarship program.
Any resident of Erie County that wants to be a student of emergency medical, whether they want to be an EMT, an advanced EMT, or paramedic, we will pay their tuition in full. So what Erie County did was we used our ARPA dollars to invest in that fund originally. So we put $200,000 into that fund. We have just invested another $200,000 from our gaming funds. We are fortunate to be a host to a casino and receive some gaming tax revenue.
So far, 66 students are taking advantage of this scholarship money. Oran says Erie County also provides data to municipalities to show call volumes in various communities and to bring local leaders together to form regional organizations. She says these are necessary because funding professional ambulance services is simply too expensive for municipalities to go it alone.